EDaily conversation.
Morning activities.
I woke up early this morning.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
That is quite early.
Yes, I wanted to start my day fresh.
What did you do after waking up?
I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
That is a good morning routine.
Then I made a cup of coffee.
Do you drink coffee every morning?
Yes, it helps me feel awake.
That makes sense.
After that, I prepared my breakfast.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate bread and eggs.
That sounds simple and healthy.
Yes, I like simple meals in the morning.
Did you check your phone?
Yes, I checked my messages quickly.
Were there many messages?
No, only a few messages.
What did you do next?
I got dressed for work.
Did you leave home early?
Yes, I left home at 7.
That is a good time to leave.
I wanted to avoid traffic.
That is a smart decision.
Afternoon activities.
My afternoon was very busy today.
What did you do in the afternoon?
I worked on several tasks at the office.
That sounds tiring.
Yes, I had many things to finish.
Did you have lunch?
Yes, I had lunch at 12 o'clock.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate rice and chicken.
That sounds delicious.
It was very tasty.
Did you take a break after lunch?
Yes, I rested for a short time.
That is good for your health.
Then I went back to work.
Were you busy again?
Yes, I had a meeting with my team.
Was the meeting important?
Yes, we discussed a new project.
That sounds interesting.
I shared my ideas with my team.
That is great.
I finished my work around 5 o'clock.
That is a long day.
Evening activities.
After work, I went back home.
Were you tired after work?
Yes, I felt a little tired.
What did you do at home?
I took a short rest first.
That sounds relaxing.
Then I prepared dinner.
What did you cook?
I cooked rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Did you eat alone?
Yes, I ate dinner by myself.
What did you do after dinner?
I watched some TV for a while.
What did you watch?
I watched a movie.
Was the movie interesting?
Yes, it was very interesting.
That sounds enjoyable.
After that, I took a shower.
That must feel refreshing.
Yes, it helped me relax.
Sharing feelings.
Today was a busy day for me.
How do you feel now?
I feel a little tired but happy.
Why do you feel happy?
Because I finished all my work.
That is a good feeling.
Yes, I feel proud of myself.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy your day?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
That is important.
I also learned something new today.
That is great.
Learning new things makes me happy.
That is a good attitude.
I feel more confident now.
That is wonderful.
I hope tomorrow will also be a good day.
I believe it will be.
Ending conversation.
Thank you for listening to my day.
You are welcome.
I enjoyed sharing my story.
I enjoyed listening to you.
It is nice to talk about daily life.
Yes, it helps us practice English.
I feel more comfortable speaking now.
That is great to hear.
I will try to speak more every day.
That will help you improve.
Thank you for your support.
You are welcome.
I think I will go to bed soon.
That is a good idea.
I need to rest for tomorrow.
Yes, rest is important.
Have a good night.
You too, have a good night.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.